The Pigment Bio Night Renewer Cream contains various actives which are very beneficial. First of all, it contains the Lumi Reveal technology which helps in brightening up your skin tone and decreases dark spots. Second, it contains hexapeptides which helps in firming up your skin by increasing collagen production. Niacinamide which evens out your skin tone. Vitamin C plus E which has antioxidant activity and protects your skin. And it also contains salicylic acid which helps in increasing your cell turnover, and it also improves the texture of your skin. Now the best part about this cream is the texture of this cream, which is like a water sleeping mask. Now if you apply it on your skin, it completely absorbs in your skin. And if you apply it at night, every single night on your face and neck, you will definitely see that your skin has become more plump, more hydrated, and it will brighten up significantly within a week's time. So try this product out. You will definitely love it, and your skin will become the best friend.